My name is Gudju Gudju. My family group is Gimuy Walibara Yidinji people. Yidinji is our nation for this country here that's now is known as Cairns, traditionally known as Gimuy, which is the name of the slippery blue fig tree. But where we are shooting now is my country. And my tribe's been here for thousands of years as well. Yeah, we were here when the sea levels were lower, higher, and lower again, because it's changed quite a few times. But when it was lower, our people used to go further out to sea, and we had camps, and further out past what is now known as the Great Barrier Reef, and we still retained the knowledge of that country, and a lot of the seasonal plants and animals, they all work together in regards to what happens on land, lets us know what's happening out to sea. Our concerns are that we got stories about our people in relation to that reef and the reason why it's there and to protect it, but they also act as a home for the fish life, the turtles, all the marine life, and their conception sites as well to a lot of different sea mammals. And if that's gone, we we just don't lose the reef. And I think a lot of people need to keep their mind on what we do lose. We lose animals such as the pufferfish, which a lot of people don't realize is very significant. Turtles, they actually eat coral as well. And you've got all of the fish that are in there, jellyfish as well, and they all make up that ecosystems there. You got a lot of the crab life that'll actually die out if the reef isn't there, and it's a natural food chain that if they're gone from that area, then you've got the bigger animals that feed on them won't be there as well. Well, we'd like to, like my people would like to manage it, like to really self-manage it ourselves. The way we managed the reef previously, I know now they've got these green zones and that they put up and they manage, but we had, more localized natural green zones that were sites that were protected. We wouldn't go there, they were sacred sites. And they were sites because of a number of reasons. We didn't allow people to go there because they destroy something of significance to us. But most of them are, whether it's a conception site for a lot of the marine mammals, we need to manage it in a way where everything's sustainable. And I think a lot of the people who manage the reef now do not know how things exist together. And we needed to manage everything together in a life cycle, because otherwise if one dies, the other one dies as well. Yep. They're all friends in the reefs. We have our laws that existed here for thousands of years. We have all of our customs that are here. And what we want to do through sovereignty is make people aware of what they actually have to do if they live here on this country, and that's protecting it, not destroying it. We're here for a reason, and we're only part of this environment because, this environment allows us to be a part of it. It doesn't need us. We're nothing strategic in the scheme of things on this planet. But we don't want no major ports. We don't want any coal seam gas drilling on our country, because what you take out destroys what is already there. With sovereignty, we want to bring it back because our culture and our law are on this land. It tells us how to look after the land, how to look after the trees, how to look after the waters, how to look after the reef. That's all part of our law on this country. The law that they brought over on the ship is a law from that country over there. It was never meant to be on this country. It was always for the country where it came from. And as sovereign people, we want to bring that, and we want people to recognize it, the people who are living here now, to recognize that those laws still exist. And if you abide by those laws that govern the laws of this land in regards to how the environment plays one in all of us being here, then this country would be better looked after and better maintained. We've been here for 70,000 years. So when you equate that to generations, my people have been here for 2,550 generations on country. That's a hell of a long time. So the knowledge that was based back there is still passed on and being passed on. And so that maintaining of this land in a way in a natural state and working in together, we all need to be responsible for our actions.